Morning, everybody. This is Mr. Dakota. I'm coming from St. Paul High School in Worcester, Mass. This is for my geometry classes. Good news for all of you. I'm sure all of you will be excited to know that I have moved the test that was scheduled for this week to next week. One of the reasons for that is that we did have masses scheduled for yesterday and this coming Friday, and I would interrupt our classes. So instead of trying to figure out who's going to take it when, I just moved all the tests to next week. So Alpha, you'll be taking the test on Monday, November 2nd, okay? Monday, November 2nd is for Alpha. Bravo, you are Friday, November 6th, okay? So we give you an extra week or so for those of you who had questions or were struggling. Okay, so main topics here, things that you need to know. Okay, first off, you cannot have a cell phone calculator. I've been telling you about this. No cell phones will be allowed. So make sure that you have a calculator and you know how to use it. Please do not come up to me during a test saying, Mr. Carter, I don't know how to use a calculator. During a test is not the time how to figure out how to use a calculator, to make sure it's in the right mode, okay? I've given you about a month warning for this, so make sure you have that done, okay? And I will say this, if you come and you don't have a calculator, you'll take the test without it, okay? So let me just put that out there. All right, a couple different things. Second edition postulate, one of the first things that we talked about during the year. You need to know that. You need to look at the information that is given. Are the two segments equal to each other? Are they equal to a certain length? You need to write your own equation for that. Same thing, angle addition postulate. Is it a straight angle? Is it a 90-degree angle? What is your equation going to be equal to? So you're going to have to figure out how to set up your equation based on the information that you have. Distance formula, okay? The x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, take the square root. You need to know that, okay? Midpoint formula, that is the average of the x's and the average of the y coordinates, okay? x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And remember, the midpoint, your answer is going to be an ordered pair. It should not be a single number. Any of the vocabulary from the sections that we've covered, collinear, coplanar, any of that stuff, you need to know it. Okay? Types of angles and their characteristics. Straight, right, obtuse, acute, all those types of angles, you need to know what they are and be able to recognize them. Trigonometry, any of the trig that we learned. Okay? Solving for x, solving for y. The inverse trig, where we need to solve for the angle measurement. Special right triangles, 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 90. All this information we have covered. Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. You need that when you have two sides of a triangle looking for the third side. Okay, circumference of a circle. Okay, circumference is either 2 pi r or pi d, depending on what you have. Okay, area of a circle, area is equal to pi r squared. Perimeter, okay, depending on what type of figure you have, the formula we've been using is perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. The easiest way to find the perimeter is add up all the sides of the figure. And finally, area of a quadrilateral, we've been talking about area is equal to base times height. Okay? A lot of information. Please put the time into this. I am available for extra help before school or after school any day. You just gotta let me know when you need help. I'm here till 2:30 every day, and if I need to stay later, that's fine. You do not need to ask permission, you can just show up, okay? If you have any questions, make sure you come and see me. Again, there's a lot of information here, make sure you know all of this. And again, I will do whatever I can to help you. Thank you and have a good day.